Good morning, everybody. Thanks for joining me on this absolutely frigid morning. Temperatures are looking to pick up, but right now we are in the mid 30s and it is a hand freezer for sure. Pretty much just fishing the river. Didn't want to go too far. Got some stuff to do today, but wanted a nice morning out on the water, so we're gonna be fishing for whatever is willing to bite. I'll get into the baits and the lures after we catch a couple fish, but yeah, let's get to it, guys. Thanks for joining me. Hope y'all enjoy the video. So we are starting out with the 1/8 ounce marabou jig. Pretty classy water, bit of a current, but not too much wind today, which is really nice. It's gonna make this bait pretty enjoyable for me to kind of just plank around with. We'll slowly dial in this setup as I get with it. I was throwing some other baits on it the other day, which is rather unsuccessful for me. And of course I brought some paddle tails so we can get a little more distance, a bit heavier, in case they are sitting out further than I can hit right now. But water levels are a bit higher than normal. That's why I decided to start out at this spot. It seems to do, I think I just saw one chasing my bait. It seemed to do a lot better at certain points on this river when the water is higher, and this is one of them. I swear I just saw a fish chasing us. Kind of slow pop this bad boy. Oh, yeah, there we go. He is just all over the place. Good size. Real nice size. Man, you are cold. Good looking white bass. They're starting to get some size as we get into these colder months. Been feeding up. That's a good looking fish right there. We'll get her back in. I got a feeling we picked the right spot, and we're gonna catch a handful of these guys, and hopefully some other species. We'll see. I'm game for anything today. All right, girl. Off she goes. Almost just fell in myself. All right. Nice one. Well, can't say I'm not surprised. Pretty white on the marabou. And a beautiful fish to start the day. It is pretty cold out. Gotta get you back in now. It is a lot colder than I expected. Check the weather. Said we were supposed to shoot up into higher temperatures, but I figured I could tough it out and for a couple hours, but really, man, my hands are freezing. It just comes with the territory of winter fishing, I suppose. All right, guys, we caught a couple, not as many as I'd like. Been here about 20 minutes, haven't had a bite, so we are gonna jump. Question is, do I go to a spot that I know is going to be holding fish, or a spot that I'd like to catch fish at. And I think we're going to start out going to the spot that I would like to catch fish at, because when the bite is on, it's pretty solid there. But we'll see. I'm going to make that move. I'll see y'all there. Oh, good fish. Thought we were snagged up. Oh, wow. Good size on you. Nice one. Thick and delicious. Good looking one. I thought that was a snag for sure. I mean, we got her pretty far out. Basically right here. Usually I can pick off a couple largemouth here, but it doesn't seem like that's what's going on. But we have a little like ridge of rock. You can't really see that runs under the water out a bit. So I'm casting past it and just kind of bouncing over it, almost smacking across those rocks, which, I mean, definitely a snaggy area, but aren't the best areas to catch fish pretty snaggy, in my opinion. Yes, especially with what we're using. Let's see if we can get another one. All right, guys, so I'm having a ton of fun out here. Kind of want to change the scenery though, so we're gonna jump, go hit the creek. Seems like white bass are the only fish really biting right now. I did go hit up a couple other areas within this area, and I couldn't get anything other than whites to bite. So let's go hit the creek, try to catch something interesting, maybe some bass, maybe something weird. Been catching buffalo by the paddle tail and red horses, so let's go have some fun, maybe a gar or something. I kind of want something a little bit different, so I'll see you all there. I'm gonna get headed that way. It's about a 30-minute drive from here. So we are at our creek. And there's not a lot of activity on the water. I saw a couple boils this way. I'm assuming our gar possibly, so we're gonna try to pick one up on the old paddle tail. Basically, what I found what works for me is they're either gonna take it immediately, which this fish didn't, or I let it sink and I slightly drag it and see if I get bit. Considering we were just hooked on a tree, it kind of messed that up. Good fish. About time. There we go, guys. Beautiful record. get you on hook, buddy. Alright. Beautiful first fish. I've been catching these ones like crazy. Just look at the tail on that one. The color, look at that fin. He wants to get back in the water pretty bad. So we're gonna skip the cameo right now. Was waiting for that. Tell you what, guys, I've been here about an hour and a half, having a bite here and there. There we go, guys. Just what I thought had been trying to tag our bait. Good looking gar. Alright everybody, so finally, second nice little creek fish. Beautiful looking gar. I felt him dogging the bait. Finally managed to get a good hook set on one, but caught her right as the buzzer went off. Gonna get her back in, and I'm about to head out. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Had a great time making it, as always. Let's get her back in. And off she goes. Hey, what is up everybody? I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I had a great time making it, as always. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe, drop a like, because in next week's video we are doing the channel's spring giveaway. So I've compiled some of my favorite springtime baits, and I'll tell you exactly how to get in on that come Thursday's video. What do you think about that, Morris? Is that a decent idea, buddy? I think he likes it. Anyhow, I'm about to do a little unboxing. Got a package from our sponsor, Baitium. Thanks for the support to the channel. I really, really appreciate that. Man, let's see exactly what we got. Big old package, so I have an idea what it's gonna be, but I haven't actually seen one in person yet. Alright, a box in a box. That's even more exciting. So really, really a lot of anticipation right there. I'll be right back. All right. Well packaged, that's for sure. Okay. Oh, and there we have it. Well, check that out, my friends. The Baitium tackle bag. I have seen what it looks like, but this is the first time I've actually got my hands on one. And I haven't really explored it, so really nice nice material there. Looks like we got a plethora of pockets, adjustable straps, go. Very cool, very, what? I think that's a bottle opener, so that's super cool. I'm like, well, let's give it a try. I'm 99% sure that's a bottle opener. So if you are of age, that's exactly what it is. That is super cool. All right. I had no idea that was a feature on this. I'd seen a couple of the features. So, looks like you got a nice little fishing pliers, or put your forceps in there. Close it like that. Open it up. Little sunglasses kit like there. So, if you're like me, I think I lost 3 pairs. One really, really nice, and then I bought 2 other cheap ones because I put them on top of my hat when I'm not using them, and then I walk through like really sticky areas and they get swiped off my head. I don't even notice half the time, or I lose them in the water. So when you're not using them, you can put them there. These are for your reels and rods, I believe. Looks like it holds 2. Got a little back compartment right here. Put your doodads and thingamabobs in there. Another one right here. What is this? Another rod holder? Okay. That's super cool, man. Or some kind of holder. Alright, that's a new one for me. New Baitium sticker. I like that one a lot. I'll definitely be decking out one of my mini tackle boxes with it. Your little front compartment right here. So many pockets on here, which is super cool. More than I used to have on my packs in the Army, that's for sure. Wish I had this thing then. That's awesome. Like a tackle box, little tackle box compartment. These look like 3600s, I'd say. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, that's legit. Crack one of these bad boys open. All right, good. Look, I like it. It's like your standard classic tackle box. You can remove these pieces, fit whatever you need in there. We're definitely going to be taking this out on the water. And this has to be, so that's like your little tackle box compartment. This one is gonna be my favorite right here. That's like a cooler pocket, so you can either put your lunch in there, put some tall boys in there, whatever you're looking to bring out on the water and keep cool, or insulated. Probably holds heat too. Probably, I don't know what you do with that. Maybe put like a hot dog or something there. I don't really know, but it's pretty legit. Absolutely love it. Those are some legit features. Love the bag. Love the bag. Kind of wish I would have checked this out a little before doing the video, because it looks like there's millions of compartments. I'm sure I'm missing something too. Well, what do you think about that bag, Mars? That's pretty neat, huh? Put your treats in there, keep your water cold, something like that. I actually do have a video planned where I'm taking Mars out on the water. I'm really, really looking forward to it. We're gonna see how it goes. I've only attempted to take him twice, and they both ended in catastrophic failure. But he was a lot younger. It's been, I don't think I haven't attempted to take him for over a year now, so we'll see how that goes. Anyhow, guys, if you like this stuff, if you like the bag, I'll drop a link in the description. You can check out what they have to offer, and I'll drop you a 20% off discount code. But be good to yourselves, be good to each other, and get some good fish on, my friends. I will see y'all next time. Peace.